Alright, so today it's like 111 degrees outside. So we decided to do a Redneck air conditioner for our chickens to help blow some cool air on them throughout the day, to just, not directly on them, but just to help cool the air down underneath their coop. So I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step process of how we put this together. Okay, so here are the things you're going to need. You're going to need a PVC elbow joint. You're going to need an 8-inch fan. Got one of those from Lowe's. This was $17. We tried a 6-inch fan the other day. It didn't have enough power, so I'd recommend going with the 8-inch fan. The cooler we got from Lowe's as well, that was $25, and I don't know how much the PVC was. The tools that you're going to need is, you're going to need a drill with some type of larger head bit on it just to get your holes started. You will need a pencil, and then depending on the type of fan that you have, you might need a screwdriver. Like this one, as you can see on the box, it comes with a stand. You'll need a screwdriver to remove that. But the other smaller fans, it didn't have a big, we could just pop it off. So it just depends on the type of fan, whether you need a screwdriver or not to remove any type of stand that it has. Then for cutting, you can use a pair of tin snips, which I used in the past, but as on this tutorial, I used a jigsaw, and holy crap, it was so much faster and easier. I spent an hour trying to cut through these things because they have, these lids have double layers, and a lot of it's hollow in between, but there are certain sections that they're, I guess it's for the support or whatever, that are a pain to cut through if you're just using tin snips. You could probably even use like an X-Acto knife or something, but my recommendation is just get a jigsaw with a, I don't know, I mean the blade that I got on this thing, it's like one of the more decent sized wood cutting blades, I think. So it's not great for your blade, but you can get a 2-pack of these at Lowe's, of the blades at Lowe's for like $5. So to me it was totally worth it. It really took about a minute to cut through this thing. So then, now that you got all your tools, you want to kind of line up your stuff to see where you want it to go. Then you'll trace out your circles around, around your PVC pipe and around your fan head, and then drill a couple holes in the center just to kind of get you started. I wouldn't do it at the very outside edge because sometimes you might have to make adjustments to make it a little bit larger or smaller so that everything fits okay. So I just kind of drill a couple towards the center to get me started, and then with the jigsaw you can then just go out and around from there, easy peasy. Once you get your holes set or cut, then you just fit your two pieces into the top, and then to prevent air from leaking out, you want to caulk around it, both the fan and your PVC pipe. Then this opens up, of course, and you put ice in there. Now you can just put bagged ice, pile of ice. We froze these 2 small buckets that fit inside of our coolers, and one will fit in each one of our coolers, and that'll work for us. So what you want to do is when you turn your fan, the air goes down and across the ice and pushes back up and blows cool air out of here. And as you can see, we have some wind flow. So hopefully that comes through on the camera. You know, it's not super strong wind or anything, and you don't want that for your chickens. They shouldn't be sitting in freezing cold air that's blowing really hard. You want something that's just kind of cool the air temperature around them, and just make it a little nicer out here when it's 111 degrees outside. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. Let us know if you tried it out. Show us your pictures either on our Facebook page or on Instagram, or comment below on the YouTube video. So hopefully you guys are staying cool. Hopefully you are keeping your chickens cool, and I hope you have hear the ice popping in there. Hope you have a great day. Namaste.